Okay, shiny Hanaki's here, and yeah, you can actually see that's a shiny purrlion. This took forever. Overart, so I'm just gonna write that out. Holy crap. Man, that's a forever. I was not expecting it though. No cheating device. And my DS slide is a little broken, so I was trying to see that there. Review. Focus. Shiny purrlion. Neutral natures. I want to guess docile. It is hardy. That looks so cool. I guess I can try and see how many times. And there's like 10, maybe 11,000. See, that is 6, 10,000, no, 10,986. Wow. Can't believe I actually got that. Yeah, that took a little while. Normal put up. And shiny purrlion. Which is actually surprisingly one of my targets. I don't know. I might do another phase here. I'm not particularly sure. Yeah, that kind of surprised me. Because I was not expecting it. It looks so beautiful. So let's go and check its IVs. Wow. Like I said, I was not. Yeah, I guess I won't be checking the IVs actually. I gotta do that again. So. Actually, let's just do it. Okay, I'll just do it for it. Ah, dang it. I gotta remember, it's that one that I donated on, not this one. You.
I want to hear something. I want to hear.
Hopefully I don't get copyrighted.
On YouTube, the song that's playing is on a radio. I'm not copyrighting the song. So if you're trying to copyright me, please don't. Can't help it. My dad wants to listen to something. I'm trying to make a recording. So it's not too bad. Oops, see y'all next time when I get a shiny.